Hi kids, we're in a hotel. And look at the man build. It's a monkey. And where's my sunglasses? Okay, see it? I'm taking it really close to it. Get it? Hey kids, come. Look to the bed right there. It's Arlo.
Oh, let's take this off.
Yeah. No, that's my daddy. That's my brother Blinky, and this, look at mine. Same one. See? Same one. Same shirt. And look at kids. There's a TV. Finally, they're doing a video. And look at this. There you go, Batman. Please just open and holding. Yeah, I'll be really close to you. Yeah? Okay. Oh, that's ridiculous. Where's his head? That's correct. Canary. Like canary. Look at, we got chocolate. And here's another one. So look, this is our water. This is our dad's water and our mom's dad's water. This is our popcorn. We use a movie theater. Look at my penguin. See, look. I changed his name. His old name is Ron, and his other name is Pew Pew. Say Pew Pew, kids. Pew Pew. Okay, right. And put him back. Right here? Or right here? You want to put him right here? Okay. Sorry, Pew Pew. And look, Donald Pizza. He's going as looks like you can't hold it. Okay, look, mommy is a microphone. On the microphone. We just going to home. You didn't remember the video. Go to start. That's all. Fields in the restaurant. And look at this. You better need this. And you use your magic bags to get inside the kids club. You know what the kids club look like? And look, you can open this. There's a lot of doors. And this is a picture of Lydia. And look at this. I'm really close to you. Yeah. Funny. You know what this is? This is my mom's bag. She just took a shower. And this is our lotion. Hey, come. Look, there's two lights. There's shark. Shark turn. And look, this is the clock. What is this? You know what this? It's a charger. And this, look at this. Sun mirror. You close it. And kids, look, the snacks. And look at this. This is my hook. Cook iron. You want to wear, kids? Okay, look at it. Really close to you. Yes. Good, look, there's two bathrooms. One for baby and one for shower. This is toothpaste. And we don't like that one because that's why we don't know it. So we don't like it. Kids, we never teach that. You know what this is? Let kids say it. That's lotion.
Mm-hmm.
Toothpaste. We love two drinks. We like the funny one. This strawberry. You taste it. Yeah. And look at the bathroom. Look at this. Look. And you know what this is?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Clean the bathroom.
Yep. Kids. Look at the lights. There's two lights. Yep. And there's other ones. Oh, there's the thing to take off the thing. See, look. See? They have to take you off the thing that's stuck forever. Oh. Yes. Let's close this. For you to block. Oh. Look at this. The kids are not used to you. Look at the hat. Daddy. How you doing, video?
Yes.
And look at the
What
lights.
Nathan is.
Is it on? Okay, now let's have the kids. Kids, okay. And that's my brother. And look, kids, go inside in this bathroom now. Look, this is shampoo. There's Mickey and Goofy and You know what this you know what that says? It says no wasting water. Yep, kids. Yeah. And look, you want to see the clouds, kids? Yeah, I already touched them. And this is my mom's wallet. I'm gonna wear it with that. Shove it. And look at this. This is my dad's hat. Wear it. Here, kids. Hey, kids, come. This is my mom's bag. Come. Kids. There's a telephone. And this is my mom's glasses. You know what this is? This is lotion. Kids, you want to see the clock? And this is shampoo. You want to Pluto shampoo. Kids, come. This is our shoes. Some are daddy and mom. Yep, kids. And look, this is don't open this door. That's another people inside there. So don't open it. Hey kids, you know what this say? Please say. You can't climb up. Say, Daddy.
It says, watch your head. Max weight limit, 220 pounds.
Yep.
Please call your stateroom host to close bed.
Let's come. Put it up there. Look.
Okay.
Two kids. Hey, put the blanket down. Daddy, come.
Hold on.
Put the camera to here. Yep.
Wait.
That's my. Oh. Now, bed. You want to see a monkey? Yep. I always show them. First time. Kids, you want to come back here and go up? There's a light. We can't go up, kids. Look, kids. Look, there's watch me go down. This is how you go down, kids. Yeah, you can throw it and I'll catch it and show them to the light. You see the light, kids? It's right there. So, kids, you press that green button. Yep, you press that green button. Watch this, kids. They can get that button. Yep. Watch this, kids. Look. You looking, kids? Hey, look. Look at the stars. They're making people. You know what that is? What is it? Okay, go back to bed. Look, the monkey. He'll scare you and do that. What? The monkey gonna scare you and do that? Not in the tablet. Then tap it. Tap it and tack it. That's almost start with it. Good job. Okay, I'll go downstairs. And look, this is a bottle so you don't fall. There's no bottle there. There's no bottle. There's no bottle over here. See, look. You see my blanket, kid? Yep. Mom's the elephant. See my blanket, kids? It has the flighted wheels and the other side the hanger. Kids, I all forgot. Look, nope. Look, there's an extra mirror so you can see it. So you don't fall. Right, kids? And then, move out the way. And look, there's a light. Come on, move out the way. There's two lights, kids. Look. Kids, I can't get down. Kids, I know I forgot something. You say blah blah. Say blah blah. No, it's not. I don't forgot to. You say nope, that. Kids, look. 2 phones. Yep. And then I got a lot of chocolate. No, don't eat it. Yeah. There's too much sugar. Right, kids? Yep. Okay, now what? Bye-bye, kids. See you later in the next video. Bye!